If you're waiting for an important email, your iPhone can actually notify you by speaking out loud the moment it arrives. Here's how to set it up. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and tap Automation at the bottom. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and choose Email and tap Sender now. Enter the email address of the person whose emails you want your iPhone to monitor. Then tap Done when you're finished. If you have multiple emails accounts on your device, you can tap Account and choose a specific account. Otherwise, leaving it set to any account is usually the best option. For recipient, you can also leave it on any recipient unless you need something more specific. Now, select Run immediately, then tap Next and choose Create New Shortcut. In the Search Actions box, type Speak Text and select it. Tap this text field and enter the phrase you'd like your iPhone to announce when that email arrives. For example, let's say very important email received, or new email from like that person's name. It's up to you. Then tap the small arrow beside the Speak Text action if you'd like to customize the voice, the language, the pitch, or even speaking speed. Once everything is set up, tap Done, and your automation is now ready. The next time that sender emails you, your iPhone will automatically announce it out loud, making it much easier to stay on top of important emails without constantly checking your inbox. One important thing to remember: this automation works best when the Mail app is actively receiving your emails. If you mainly use another email app, such as Gmail, and your messages aren't syncing through Apple's Mail app, the automation may not trigger properly. To get the best results, make sure the email account you're monitoring is added to the Mail app and receiving emails normally. If this video helped you, be sure to hit like, share it with someone who uses an iPhone, and subscribe to the channel for more hidden iPhone features and useful automations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.